Okay,
Hi.
1 minute car chatter with Johnny.
Just got home from work.
Yeah, hey, can you hear that noise?
We have some friends with us today.
Hey!
It's Scooter and...
Scooter!
Come on.
Come on, Cleo.
Hey, Cleo.
Here, Scoots, look.
They've never been in the garage.
Look it. Hey!
Hey!
Now, they are bringing some personality to car chatter. Should we just let them run around?
Sure.
We're in Phoenix, and the weather's beautiful, and it's not too hot. It's not too cold.
It's not wicked hot.
It's not wicked hot. Johnny just got back from work, hence the
Attire.
professional attire. And there's a cat on my feet.
And
Come on.
there's a cat in here, but she
There's
doesn't
a
want
cat.
to come out. Can you see her? Comes.
Scooter.
She says, "Oh, we went over
Cleo,
1
go
minute."
this way.
Cleo.
Look.
Well, that
She's
didn't
like,
really work
"This is
out,
not
did
good."
it?
No, it worked out great. Come on, Scooter. Like Cole says, sorry, we're not doing a do-over.
There we go.
Come
There
on,
we go.
can you
There
come
she
in here?
comes.
Can we come in?
Cleo. Look at the camera.
See? We need to just bring them in the car more often so they like it.
I love you.
Come on. Come on, Scoots. Like, hey, this isn't so bad.
This
I
is
kind of like
car chatter.
I like car chatter. Do you have something to say?
But
You
they
have a
wanna
little
know-
chat? Look at
yeah.
how perfect they are.